Hello, welcome to the video tutorial on how to properly upload supporting documents for Section 2 of the I-9 into the onboarding system. First, you'll log into eJobs through the HR Systems login page. Once you're properly in eJobs, you'll go up to the three blue buttons in the top left, scroll down to Employee Records. You'll click that, open up a new window into the onboarding software, where it'll drop you on the home page with all your tasks that need attention. Today we'll be looking for test applicant, and we'll use this search bar up top. You can also filter your search by task name, related staff, which is just the assigned employee, so test applicant in this situation, the checklist name, and due dates for checklist. We'll just leave it at all for now. And you'll see that it'll update as I'm typing, so there's no need to hit enter or search or anything. It's a live feed. And now that we found test applicant with the I-9 supporting documents, we'll go all the way over to the right side of our screen and hit view under the actions column. This will pop up a window where we'll be able to start inputting information. The date that you'll want to input is the day you actually physically viewed the documents in person. Please remember that you must see the original documents. You cannot accept a copy from the new employee. It needs to be in person, and you need to make sure the documents are still valid. But we'll say that we saw the documents today. So we'll open up the calendar, put the 16th. Then we'll want to verify the full name shown here is matching what is listed on the I-9. Then from there, we'll just want to look at the acceptable documents. There's this great resource provided, which will show you all the acceptable documents and the combinations that are valid. Please note that you cannot tell them to bring specific documents from either List A or the BC combo. So they do have some great other resources on this page. Tips on examining documents, just what to look for, counterfeits, things such as that. There's also one other resource I would like to draw your attention to. This is the training and handbook that's provided by the federal government, and sort of some Q&As as well. Please look over those. They're a very good baseline for the knowledge to make sure that you are doing everything properly and to protect not only yourself but ETSU. Then we'll return to the onboarding and we'll scroll down. So the test applicant in this situation gave us a passport. So we'll go here. That is a document A. If someone gives you a valid passport, they only need to give you the passport. So we'll hit upload a file, find it here. Please use the first name, last name, and document type when you name it. Then if you have any comments, you can put them here. Do please note that the comments will be able to be seen by everyone that has access to it. So then, now that we have the document properly uploaded, we'll hit Save Final down at the bottom. And now we'll be able to go verify everything. So the date is correct, the name is correct, it's showing up properly with the document. You can click on it and it'll give you a preview as well. and now you are done. If you'd like to go back and look at tasks you've already completed, just up top you'll hit the completed, it'll keep your search, and then the check mark indicates that it's good to go for test applicant, the timestamp, and this way you can go back and a future date, say the employee is returning to work or a seasonal employee, for whatever reason, if there's a situation where they'll be coming back and they're eligible for Section 3 of the I-9, this allows you where you can go back and look at the documents that they originally provided and see if they're satisfying all the requirements for Section 3. For more information on what employees would be eligible for Section 3, please contact HR directly. That is the whole tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to HR. Have a good day.